Welcome students in class BA part 2. In our first paper, we were discussing various points, and in our last video, we have completed 3 parts of Rabbi Ben Ezra. The poem is very long, and we have discussed that we will complete it selecting important parts. In each video, we have completed 2 or 3 major important parts of this long poem, and in this series, today we are going to start the part that is very important, the point of view of examination, as well as today's intellectual and spiritual advancement in human life. We are discussing that the principles given in Rabbi Ben Ezra, the ideas presented by Browning, and the thoughts of this point are not only important for the point of view of our education, as well as our educational system and the scheme of examination. The poem is also important if we are going to discuss what the life is. How the life divided into various spans, various parts, because there is the reason. The reason is presented by Bacon here. Why the time that is starting, that is considered as the childhood time? Why there is the utility of childhood time? When we become something aware, conscious, and attention started in life. Later we become a student, read deeply, largely, and then we try for job, take education, doing everything for our achievement and mission. Why all these are? As are the systematic process of life. These are the part of life, and in every part of life we have given every different task, every different mission and objectives. Or all these missions and objectives, a combined part, a consolidated part of these missions and objectives of life are in single word, which we are calling life. What is life? Life is a combination of tasks, achievements, challenges, missions, objectives, goals, and our super aim is to be an accurate human being. Our super aim is to show our utility in society. Our main objective of life, there must be our value in society. Not try to become a valuable person, but try to become what is your value in society, what is your value in family, what is your value in your circles. These are important conceptions of humanity, important aspects of life, and secret of our birth. All these are the prime mission of our birth. So I request to not read the poem only to point of view of examination and the paper scheme, but accept the principal values of poem, accept the views of Rabbi, and try to think deeply how a great scholar, a great person belonging to 1,000 years ago are given you so valuable thoughts, and you are lucky to read it. You are lucky to read it. They are not the common ideas. Every aspect of life presented here. And I think that you are reading it first time. Because the life is very, you can say, complex. And in which it is important to select right. Everything looks to you as the same. But that is our positive thinking. That is our habit of understanding. Or it must be your decision that you must select the right. And here you will acquire the right. What the right? That is in the point of Rabbi Ben Ezra. In today, we have to start part number 20, 21, 22. In every part, we have some type of principle, some type of knowledge, some types of learnings and acquiring various types of the thoughts. Here, in all these three parts, the basic conception that was given, the basic conception in all these three parts that was given is RESULT, result of life. You try to understand the result of life. इससे पहले we are discussing in various parts, that is objectives of life. We discussed that what are the objectives of life, and today we are going to discuss what is the result of life. Or when we can consider about the result of life, these are our old. At the time when we old, we narrated separately in previous videos. Separately, what are the features of age, what are the features of youth, what are our major tasks during youth, what is our major action during youth. We separately discussed everything. But today from 20, 21st and 2nd, the details that is consolidated detail, the detail that is in combined detail, where comparative analysis between these two are important. We should start to read it in comparatively, and then we will find the result of life. The old age, we are saying it is the result of life. Objective of life, we can understand it. Youth. In the youth time, whatever we are doing, in the youth time, what are major achievements on which our old depends? We discussed it already. So whatever we are doing today, its result to be found later. Yes, whatever we are doing today, its result will found later. So this is the comparative study. So your old period, that is depends upon your youth. What are your major achievements? What are your major toils, major tasks, major achievements? Or you can say there is the good work which should be counted. All that or all their result will make a better old. And try to remain every time. Whatever you are doing, that is your result of future. Try to keep it always in mind. Not a point of education or the study and the syllabus. In every point of your life, keep it in mind always. We are not discussing about Brahman's thought or the thought of rabbis or any type of the thought of Bible, Quran, Gita, Mahabharata, Ramayana, nothing. We are not discussing about anything. But we discuss the one thing that is super motto of life, that is super prime feature of life, that is super secret of life. That is, whatever you are doing, that is important. Whatever we are today, that is important. And on this today, present situation, our future will be. Never there is nothing. Whatever that is in your luck, you must achieve that one day. Always try to seek God, nothing. Because it may be there is more than your desire written in your luck. Try to maintain, try to work hard and ready to prepare to get your result. Not tax everything upon your luck. That this is in my luck and I will get it. No, everything depends upon your hard work. 99% result created by hard work. Single 1% result declared by the luck. It is sure that whatever that is in your luck, you never know it. When you will know it, you will consider as a king. Then what is the role of God there will be? So, every time work hard. Never seeking anything, never pray for anything, never desire for anything, never demands anything. But keep faith on your work. Keep faith on your hard work. Keep faith upon your achievements. And be sure in mind, yes, I will get it. That is humanity. That is the result of human life. That is the result to be a man today. Otherwise, what is difference between us and animal? Animal are not thinking anything as we are considering, although they are thinking. as we are considered, because we consider ourselves as a king, that we are human being, we can do anything, so we are the king. This is our disturbed mentality, confusing mentality. Try to understand it deeply. Whatever we are calling that today as a total point of we just focus, that is point number 20, 21 and 22, we are going to discuss a comparative study. Rabbi says that whenever we reach in our old period, there is a chance, there is an opportunity, we have given the chance to think, we have given the opportunity to think and consider about our previous task, because youth, we have not any time, as we discussed. In youth, we have not any time to thinking power, intellectuality and spirituality. Everything comes at the time when we have time. Or this is only in old period. Try to think and make a complete comparison. That whatever are the great mistakes, whatever are the great merits. Now we are considering that what are the objective of life that is decided in youth, and then after completing youth, we just found its result. Can we think any result at the time of youth? We think that maximum are not doing. They only do, not thinking. They want to do everything, not to do get anything. Means this is the time, and also the reason why there is different parts of. This is the reason that every time we have, sometimes there is the measure weightage to be given to our physical strength. Sometimes the measure weightage is given to our mental ability, mental strength, or mental strength at the time of old, where you can consider everything. Yes, I acted wrong once upon a time when I was young. Same, whatever we are considering, anytime if you are young and doing something wrong, our senses are not actively working there. When it will work later, and then you will remind everything. This is the time. This is the beauty of old period. So we are calling old is a very beautiful era. It is second childhood. How? Because the mind is very innocent. The soul is very pure there. And we try to do everything, but have no power to do, have no ability to do, have not stamina and strength to do. Then what we can do? We can only to think and make better youth, so that it will be happen clearly. Let's go with me. And we just start the text of part number 20. Let's start. Enough now. If the right and good and infinite be named here, enough now. Old के लिए है. अब ये पर्याप्त रूप से enough है. अब is now, that is using for old. So this is the time that is enough. That is you have sufficient time. You have free of time. You have a lot of time. You have a spare of time, and then you can think everything, because you have not anything to do, you have not any task to complete. So this is the time. Keep and clear understanding of every consideration. Try to consider everything, that this is your time to think, this is your time to accept, this is your time for consideration. Use for all. If the right and good and infinite non-stop, unlimited, various type of the task, right and wrong be named here, यहाँ पे यानी बुढ़ापे में आकर के जितनी भी असीमित चीजें थी, सही गलत का फैसला करेंगे. Because it is the time enough. Here we have enough time to think. Here we have various types of the chances to consider. So this is the time where we can do anything, where we can consider anything, and infinity is good and bad is using that in various types of the collection of your previous task, in various types of the collection of your previous achievements, your previous actions, you are able to select what is good, what is bad, and try to measure them. मापिए उनको, try to measure that which type of the part is more powerful or which is loose, and then you can find a complete decision, then you can find a complete result that this is your major achievement of life. Read the next line. That is, as thou callest thy hand, think on with knowledge absolute, subject to no dispute, for false and crowded youth, no let is. युवावस्था में तो ये सारी बातें आपको एकदम यूथ सी लगती थी, मूर्ख सी लगती थी. अच्छा, ठीक है. This is the time to think everything. Then Rabbi added one extra thing, that why we are not thinking it at the same time on the spot action. No, we have time to think there, but this is the situation of our mind and mental ability, that at that present time we have not to do anything, and we have not the time to consider anything. So Browning says that it is the particular principle of life that we don't know why, but anyhow we are considering it at the all time. Try to understand it, what is absolutely right or what was absolutely wrong. That is in your pocket, that is in your mind, but there is the need to think about it, and this need will finish at the time of old. So this was the stanza number 20, in which the basic principle that is given is consideration. The basic result that was given is here, that is consideration between good and bad. This was the motto part number 20. This was the result of part number 20, that we just make a complete measurement, or according to that measurement decide our previous result. Same as we are discussing about result of life. Or here the first result is result from our task, that is related to result to our actions, or according to our actions and task we will decide everything. So we are discussing here as the result of life, and in this result of life, the first result that was given by Browning through the speech of Rabbi Ben Ezra, that was the result related to our complete task, that is the result related to our goodness and badness. Now we are going to discuss part number 21, and then we decide what is the result of part number 21. Same as the series is, same the course is now running, and only that type of the consideration between comparative study we are going to consider. Let's come with me on part number 21st and try to write its line and read it. Be there for once and all, for once and all, ultimately it must be happen, ऐसा होगा ही. Be there, वहाँ पे at the time when you are old, it must be totally, never you can avoid with it. So try to understand. Announce to each station in the past, announced करना, घोषणा करना. To each his station in past, past में आप अपने अतीत के हर स्टेशन पे घोषणा करेंगे वो जाई कि मैं ऐसा था. The world arranged were they most sure distant, right? Yes. वो जाई के बाद try to understand. Announce to each his station. Station is using here for destination. In part number 21st, we are using the word station of past. These are using for you. Means in every station where you stand, means in every part of life where you completed any task or any action, you must try to think what your station result is. Is your station you can understand as a part of life. It you can understand as a spot of action. Whatever you are doing there, that is your part of life. Announce to each station in past. Past में जितने भी स्टेशन spent, you try to consider everything that spent already. Here that is important is your locations, or for that type of the location the word is station to be used here. Try to understand every type of the different station. Try to understand every span of your life, or according to that type of the span you will consider about your achievements. According to Rabbi Ben Ezra, each of your station have one particular achievement and your mission, and according to that achievement and your mission, you will try to search out your result. And only this is the particular time of your age period where we can consider everything. Means this is the station that was used by rugby is different type of the task or different type of the actions, or according to that action and task our future will be dependent. Next time try to read it. Was I is using for which type of your activity there, which type of your task there, what was your major achievement there, or what was your great mistakes there. Everything combination and consolidated mix up of your goodness and badness. The word arised, कहाँ पे आपने उस वर्ड का arise किया, opposition में. Try to understand where you are wrong, where you are right, where everyone supported you or where everyone opposed you, or through the result of everyone's opposition and your supporting attitude, you will decide where you are right or where you are wrong. Were they, और अगर उन्होंने आपका विरोध किया, if they were in your opposition, were they right? Try to think now. अब सोचिए, if anyone opposed you, then were they right or you are right there? Means make a clear vision today, make a clear cut objective of life today. If you opposed by someone in once upon a time in your life, now you will consider that at that particular time, were you wrong or were you right? This is your decision that is completed today, because at that time you were at the position or at the spot action. You have not think anything there. So you just think it. My shoulder distant. क्यों आपकी शोल्डर डिस्टेंड कर दिया, रिजेक्ट कर दिया उस समय? Try to think. क्या आप really you are wrong? Why your soul rejected your decision? Why your mind was not able to do there anything? Try to think today, because you have the time to think today. Right? और अगर आप right थे, if you were right there, even you opposed there, even you neglected there and ignored there, why your soul rejected your opinion and your thought there? Try to think it today. And then if you were right there at once upon a time in your life, when everyone rejected you, or at that time if you were right, think now, why you rejected your opinion of mind, your opinion of soul, and your sound of psyche. Why you rejected there? Let us speak the truth, because this is the aged time. Let us speak the truth, क्योंकि at that time you never do anything, you never think anything, you never do anything. This is the time then you can think everything. Let age speak the truth, क्योंकि truth is only spoken in old age. Acceptance is only be handled in old age. This is the old time where we can consider everything. This is the old period where we can do everything, and only the acceptance time according to our past achievement of youth be accepted here in age period. All these are the basic reasons and the basic causes why Rugby says that age period is the period of consideration. Age period is the period of consideration. Try to understand the speech of Rugby. Means you have the time to think about it, you have time to consider about it, or you have the time to measure your life's activities. Because it is the time when there is one thing that is important for you. Because it is the time when there is one ability that is working properly, or that is mental ability, that is spiritual ability, or that is intellectual power. Everything lost at the time of youth in first ring of our activities and tasks. So this was the result. Right? Let age speak the truth and gives us peace at last. और जब अपन इन सब के बारे में सोच लेते हैं, when we consider everything about our youth, every action about our youth, every achievement our youth, and what is good or what is right in our youth, when you were right or when you were wrong, if we consider it totally today, only then we can get a satisfaction, that is peace, or the word peace is the keynote of point number 21. When you can get peace in age period, when you can get peace in age period, you get peace in age period only after your consideration of satisfaction. Satisfaction provides us peace. Peace is not a thing to be purchased in market. No, there is not any value of peace. Peace caused by satisfaction, and satisfaction and peace both are, or you can understand it about your last type of the peace, that is you can say as super peace, because in super peace our physical activity stopped. When your physical activity stopped, then your activity of mind, capacity of brain divert into consideration. देखिए, our capacity of mind, that is our capacity of brain, never be diverted two paths at the same time. When we diverted it more than physical strength, then the mental state, intellectual state and spiritual power becomes dim. When we give more importance to spiritual, intellectual and mental state, then physical power dims. So at the youth time, our strength devoted towards physical action, then means we have not any time of consideration, because the part of consideration, the part of intellectuality and the part of spirituality automatically becomes dim. But at the present time, when you are old, you are aged, the power of physical strength becomes dim. To power where diverted, the power is diverted in next side, another side, that is the side of intellectuality, that is the side of spirituality, and that is the path of mental state. Or so we have in old period, in our aged period, devoted our mind towards this, and then we can get peace. Peace connected with the state of mind. Peace connected with the situation of satisfaction. Peace connected with your mental state, your intellectuality and your spirituality. So the main motto of 21st stage are, that is peace, super peace and physical action stop. Means this is your satisfaction. So part number 20 and 21 are well connected to each other. Separately we cannot understand it. We just understand it according to consolidated study. Separately we never discussed about anything to it, and then we can discuss everything about part number 20 and part number 21, that everything are important here, everything is consolidated here. According to your youth, we can consider everything and try to make a complete consideration about your previous life. In point number 21 and then 22, same thing that was given by, but here some type of autobiographical touch attached. Some type of the autobiographical touch there is in this part, because here himself, Rabbi Ben Ezra himself gives his example, how I can adjust these two periods. So through his personal example, as we know that in every part of poem, everywhere the personally achievement and personally experienced thought are given by Rabbi. Even he says that in my life I remember everything that was wrong, that was right. So everything depends upon your consideration, everything depends upon your thought. Or Rabbi says that when I was like during this type of the period, I described everything. So in today's video, we basically discussed about the features of old and the features of youth, as well as their comparative study, as well as the final result of life, as well as we also discussed the comparatively when we can do or when we were doing. Everything that was given in comparatively here, and then Rabbi says that this is your final peace, this is your super peace, this is your satisfaction if you consider it at the last time. In our old days, in our age period, if we consider everything about it, only then we can get peace, only then we can get satisfaction. Peace and satisfaction are the keynote in old period. These are the key feature in old period. We must require peace and satisfaction during aged period. In our next video, we will start the next part of it. Thank you.